Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a easy peasy connection with your Fritz Repeater 6000 and a Fritz box, for example. It's really easy. We only need power source, our Fritz Repeater, and a Fritz box near it. So first step is we are enter the power source. Here we are. Now the system will be reboot. And after this process, we can wait until the LED connect light will be flashing slowly. This was a fast flash now. This is the reboot flash service. We are going to wait until this repeater is going to I'm ready. Okay, this cost you, I think, 1 minute or something else. And after this minute, this is important. We can go to the next step. Oh, here we are. You see now it is flashing slowly. So the next step is we have to get the repeater into pairing mode. For this, we push the connect button, and then the LED will flashing fast. And then this is on WPS mode. That means it will wait for a Fritz box to connect each other. For this, we push on our Fritz box the connect and WPS button once, and then the both of them will be paired immediately. Okay, let's perform this. Here we are, fast flashing, connect WPS button once, push, flashing. Both are now connecting each other, and then the informations about our login, our Wi-Fi setup, and something else will be shared each other. And then after this process, after they are finished, we can now we are here. Here we are. Okay. Now we're ready. Now we can go and unlock this again from the system and go to the area where we like to repeat the area, because now this device is full with the information like our Fritz box has. And that means the same login information, the same Wi-Fi informations. This repeater will now repeat our Wi-Fi area as well. Easy peasy, because now it's ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.